Hi everybody, good evening. Alam niyo naman na I am teaching you guys how to be a general virtual assistant. Live na 8-day bootcamp yon via CodeGo or via Zoom. Nandito tayo with our CodeGo marketing team, si David. And we are going to answer all of your questions about our 8-day bootcamp. Yung bootcamp natin will start on 28th. Tama, no, David?
Yes.
Yes.
If you guys all know, no, ang original application deadline kasi natin is 23. But due to numerous demand nga, no, kasi we were getting a lot of requests na i-extend. And of course, we want to cater to you guys as well, no. That's why we extended yung bootcamp to 26. So you guys still have time pa, no, for to apply for it. So, habang wala pa magtatanong, ako na muna magtatanong sa atin.
Yes.
So, guys, yung what we're running now is a general virtual assistant course. It's a mentorship with MJ. Mentorship talaga yung what we call it. Kasi basically, what you're getting is hands-on training with MJ, no?
Correct.
I think I saw a lot of your contents na marami nagtatanong na paano yung gawin to, paano maghanap ng clients, 'di ba? So mga common scenarios yun na we are all asking kasi basically mahirap kasi mag-start ng virtual assistant journey mo, 'di ba, without any information, without any help. So that's why we are here. So guys, 8 days lang yung bootcamp natin, meaning after 8 days pwede ka na maging virtual assistant. And how much siya? Ang currently, no, ang price natin for the virtual assistant course is 4,000. So, if you apply now, no, basically, you can make habol pa yata yung reservation fee if umabot pa kayo. Basta huwag lang kayo mag-apply ng 26. Too late na kasi. May part-time kayo. Hi, Alex. Yes, part-time yung schedule kasi
Yes.
ang class schedule nun is 7 to 9 p.m. only. So, if ikaw, Alex, ikaw ay isang basically a full-time worker, no, definitely this is fit for your lifestyle kasi hindi naman maaabala yung full-time commitment mo in your day job.
Correct. Anyway, okay, so ayun guys, ano ba yung nasa bootcamp na yun or ano yung matututunan nyo doon sa 8-day bootcamp natin? So it's going to be about how to become a general virtual assistant. Tuturuan ko kayo ng American culture, inbox management, calendar management, travel management, and then may mga sample scenarios kayo na gagawin para ma-practice ninyo kung ano yung mga tools na ginagamit natin. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga different scenarios na makukuha ninyo from your clients. So, yun yung laman ng 8 days na bootcamp natin. That's 2 hours per day, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. I just got in. How can I register and join? All you have to do is go to codego.ph and nandoon po talaga kayo sa courses. Tapos nandoon yung how to enroll. And then just make sure to include doon sa promo code kasi once you create your account, meron doon parang area for you to put in your promo code. Lagay nyo lang po yung MJ Code Go na promo code so that you can get freebies from me kapag yun yung nilagay ninyo. Inaayos lang natin yung mga freebies kung paano natin siya ibibigay sa inyo through the LMS natin. And then, yan. May mga freebies kayo if you use the code. Ang schedule ng training, that's Mondays to Fridays pa din tayo, no, David, from 28?
Yes. Definitely. So,
yeah.
Guys, if wala kayo last month, no, wala kasi kaming mga freebies nun, but right now, if you use yung promo code ni MJ, to basically you'll do a lot of you'll be able to use a lot of their templates na you can use.
Yes.
Matapos yung virtual assistant course. What time po? Hi, Marie. Wait lang, Sansui. Unahin ko muna si Marie. Ang time schedule natin is basically Monday to Friday na 7 to 9 p.m. lang yung class. So, mabilis lang siya guys kasi it will only take you 8 days tapos pwede na kayo maging virtual assistant.
Yes. Tapos itong tinatanong niya na subscription fee ng management tools. Now, lahat ng tools na gagamitin natin during the course will all be for free. Kasi yun naman din, ako as a virtual assistant, I've been working as a VA for more than 2 years already. Wala akong ginagamit na paid or subscription-based na tools. So, libre lang yung mga ginagamit natin. And very important yun for you guys, especially if nagsisimula pa lang kayo as a VA.
Correct.
So, before we can apply as a VA in your company, we need to undergo this boot camp. Well, it's really up to you kung gusto mo. Take note, CodeGo is not an agency or a virtual assistant agency. CodeGo is a parang school. Tama, no?
Yeah, basically, we're a boot camp na instead of taking the long route of 4 years, basically, you can join a boot camp that will definitely shorter span of time yung duration ng pag-aaral mo. Plus, in this scenario lang kasi we partnered with MJ to create a virtual assistant course. So, yun siya, Alex. Hope may question ka pa, definitely don't be afraid to ask.
Yes, so banking lang dun sa sinabi din ni Alex. So, you can definitely apply already if gusto mo na mag-apply sa mga agencies. But this bootcamp kasi, especially if you don't have an idea how to be a virtual assistant, then this will definitely help prepare you. Madaming mga free content on YouTube na makikita mo. But syempre, iba pa rin if you're going through yung nakaayos talaga na format na training. Oo. So, tapos ang maganda din kasi dito is we will provide you with a certificate, and that certificate will also be available or linked to your LinkedIn. So, if meron kayo mga nakitang potential clients sa LinkedIn and that they will see na you finished an 8-day bootcamp, then it might be a help or a boost to your profile.
Yeah, just to add lang din, MJ, what's good kasi with this, Alex, if we're talking about really a value in the training is the mentorship between you and MJ. Kasi ang common scenario kasi, 'di ba, if you will look at the online space, the mga free courses, if may questions ka na, it's definitely hard for you to answer all of it. That's why andun yung hands-on training na benefit mo makukuha mo.
Correct.
Tapos si Jooms yata may tanong, does this include finding a client or this is just an LMS? No, Jooms, this is not definitely an LMS. Part of yung course namin is helping you find a client. And we're so happy to announce because yung first batch natin, before pa lang sila graduate, they were offer opportunities na in terms of getting a job. There was, if hindi mo pa alam, MJ, si April, na-hire siya ni Housify.
Oh, congratulations! O, diba?
So, 8 days lang from wala ka pang work and now definitely may role ka na sa isang company.
Correct. I'm gonna touch base nga with her baka she needs help in anything.
It's good. It's good talaga. Kasi yun yung opportunities na mabibigayin.
Correct.
8 days lang and definitely may nakuha ka na in return.
At saka doon din sa mismong LMS natin, I'm going to teach you on how to look for direct clients if that's the direction na gusto mong tahakin at hindi via an agency. And the nice thing with our partnership with CodeGo is katulad niyan, meron silang mga openings na binibigay sa mga partner companies nila who are looking for remote workers.
Yeah, and these are not just companies, they are under 917 Ventures, which is yung startup factory ni Globe. So imagine nyo guys, if you were able to land a job in that strong credibility such as 917 Venture companies, di ba? Maganda yun for your resume, di ba?
Yep. And babalik ako kay Alex, sabi niya, can you refer or recommend us to agencies? Yes, definitely. Like ako, I'm working with or for Athena. And if during the course of the bootcamp, makitaan ko kayo ng magandang potential and pasok yung qualification ninyo
Yes,
sa qualifications ni Athena, I am definitely going to refer you directly to the recruitment team and hindi na kayo dadaan sa usual application process, but you're going directly to the final interview already. And I know we've also partnered with other VA agencies also. Pero of course, hindi yun 100% guarantee. You still need to apply for it. Kailangan pa din mag-perform ka pa rin ng
yes,
well.
definitely. There's
Diba?
the performance talaga, guys. And even on our side din, no, kay DC Athena, what we're really advising you guys, no, to take the bootcamp seriously because whatever you do in this short of stint, yun yung magiging byproduct performance nyo. So, kailangan talaga. I know 8 days is a long time for you guys, but it's a small sacrifice na you can definitely get a huge benefit. No?
At saka siksik yun guys, yung buong 2 hours na yon wala akong ginawa kundi magsalita. Kasi talagang madaming information. As in, lahat ng natututunan ko sa pagiging virtual assistant ko, tinuro ko talaga daw yun doon sa course na yon. So yung 2 hours natin per day for 8 days, it's all about me teaching you. And then after that, gagawa na lang kayo or may mga exercises kayo na gagawin or sample scenarios para at least ma-exercise ninyo yung mga natutunan ninyo, especially when it comes to inbox management and calendar management.
Yeah, okay, sige. Sige, let's answer muna yung mga questions na we get a lot kasi I think marami na siya. Okay, guys. A lot of you are asking how much yung course natin. Ang fee natin basically as of now, ang rate, is 4,000. But we highly suggest na you use yung code ni MJ, use MJ code GO. Why? Because may freebies kayo na makukuha on this.
Yes.
Meaning yung mga template na you can use after mo tapos yung VA course, definitely may mga gamit ka na as part of for your portfolio.
Correct.
You can use it for your interviews. You can explain to them, oh, if ever you need lead management or lead generator, this is what I'll use and stuff like that.
Yes, so don't forget to use yung code natin na MJ Code Go
Yes.
once you enroll or you apply for the course or the bootcamp.
Yes, and I think a lot of people are asking how to apply. So guys, basically what you will do is visit this site. Ito, wait lang ha. Mag-isa lang kasi ako. Mahina ang kalaban. So, what you'll do is visit codego.ph, create lang kayo na account, tapos, fill out nyo lang yung emails nyo, i-verify nyo lang yung emails nyo, tapos gawin nyo lang yung profile. Ngayon guys, pagdating nyo sa profile, no, hanapin nyo yung promo code. Nasa pinakababa siya. Important yun, kasi doon nyo siya ilalagay yung code na to.
Yep.
Use code
MJ Code Go.
Yeah. So, again, yung makukuha nyo dito, freebies from MJ exclusively. I think wala to sa previous bootcamp. So, definitely this is a must-have for you guys. And go back lang tayo sa questions.
I think my question din dito, if pwede ba to sa no experience? This is actually perfect for those na walang experience on how to become walang experience sa pagiging virtual assistant. Because this bootcamp will actually provide you the experience that you need para makakuha ka ng client or to prepare you once na you already have a client. Ang ginawa ko kasing setup dito sa bootcamp natin or yung mismong modules natin is that kapag virtual assistant kasi, you don't need to have a client to gain experience. Kasi lahat ng mga tools, lahat ng mga sample scenarios, pwede ka mag-imbento eh. So ginawa ko yung LMS natin or yung modules natin wherein may mga sample scenarios tayo na you can execute or create different output ng mga scenarios na nakuha ko din from my client. So from there, makaka-experience ka na ng inbox management, calendar management, travel management, household management. May-experience mo na lahat yun para once na naghanap ka na ng client at tinanong nila marunong ka ba ng calendar management, sasabihin mo yes.
Yes.
'Di ba? So even if hindi ka pa nagkaroon ng client before kasi no experience ka, first time mo maging VA, you are confident to say yes that you know these things and you know how to use these tools kasi naturo natin dito sa ating bootcamp.
Sabi ni Vinci, so may bayad. Yes, Vinci, may bayad.
Yes.
Why to may bayad? Because you'll definitely have a lot of opportunities here. You'll learn all the stuff you need for virtual assistant. May endorsement opportunity, meaning even nag-aaral ka pa lang sa virtual assistant bootcamp, no, we're giving you where to apply, how to apply, 'di ba, mga ganon. And of
Correct.
course, yung mentorship ni MJ, no? Kasi this is a hands-on training na mabibigay niya. Tapos,
Oo.
I think si Champion may question. May I know, honestly, if a 58-year-old can still be a VA, what do you think of that?
Yes, pero at that age kasi medyo wait lang I'm trying to look. Kaya naman, pero kailangan lang talaga sanayin mo yung sarili mo sa mga tools sa computer. Pwedeng-pwede, especially if marami ka ng experience sa corporate, it's definitely going to be an edge for you. But I think ang focus mo na lang talaga is to improve your tech-savvy skills. Paggamit ng Gmail, Google Calendar, magsa-search sa Google, yung mga ganyan, yun yung kailangan mong i-focus. But I think other than that, yung mga other skills like admin skills or whatever, especially if may work experience ka na before, can definitely be an edge.
Yeah, definitely definitely if you're the person naman, no, if you want it, you will work hard for it. 'Di ba? I think the VA industry is a open space for that.
Yes, hindi naman tayo nag-aano ng age dito as long as napo-provide mo yung output, yun lang naman yung importante. Hindi naman nila tinitingnan kung ilang taon ka na.
Correct. Si Sansui may question. Mode of payment for the training. Guys, yung training natin for payment is you can either pay sa GCash, sa Maya, etc. Pwede rin bank transfer. So, makikita nyo siya pag nakuha nyo na yung kontrata nyo, basically.
Ayan, so gaano katagal daw ang training? Training natin is for 8 days, 2 hours per day, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Okay. Yeah, I think si Che De Leon, sabi niya, very generous sa tao si Brian.
Yes, correct.
I think in a common space ng VA sa TikTok, no, very, giving talaga sila.
Yes.
That's good kasi, right now we have this mindset na hindi natin pinagdadamot yung mga resources natin. We want
Correct.
everybody to climb talaga. And that is a good mindset to have. Si Sansui kasi is employed daw siya and inspiring to be a VA. I think medyo hindi pa siya sure. So okay lang yan kasi ganoon naman tayo lahat, especially pag beginner ka pa lang. So definitely this is a good opportunity for you because again, guys, we have endorsement opportunity. Meaning nun, we can endorse you to our company partners. We can endorse you to 917 Ventures, which is the startup factory for Globe. And what we want you to know, of course, alagaan namin kayo here. We'll give you all the opportunity. But take note lang, guys, the endorsement isn't 100% job guarantee, okay? Why? Because nakadepende kasi to sa performance niya. And of
Correct.
course, kay MJ din, no, yung opportunity niya sa Athena, only if you perform well, pumasok ka sa standards niya, yun.
Yes, ayan. So may nagtatanong, how much ang fee? Again, it's 4,000 pesos. Meron pa ba tayong installment?
Yeah, yung reservation fee, I think aabot pa tayo ng 25. But if lumagpas na kayo ng 25 kasi guys, 26 na yung deadline of application natin. So, limited na lang yung slots natin. The reason on bakit kami nag-extend kasi for your information, no, 23 kasi yung deadline of application, which is kahapon. Diba? Para pag
Yeah.
umabot kahapon, namin kasi kami nakuha email na extend nyo na please. Gusto ko kasi mag-apply pero wala pa akong, I think kasi di pa sahod. Kasi 25 pa lang bukas, yung iba sahod pa lang, wala pa akong sahod, baka pwede extend. Definitely nakinig kami sa inyo and that's why we move it ng 26 for you to be able to apply. So, yung split payment na tinatawag ni MJ, no, 2,000 upon signing your contract. Then, bago mag-start yung bootcamp, you pay the remaining. Para hindi rin mabigat sa inyo.
Ayan. So, kaya mag-apply na kayo or mag-enroll na kayo. But you just have to make sure na meron kasi tayong screening sa enrollment. May nagtatanong kasi dito kung pwede daw ng tablet. Unfortunately, hindi pwede. You need to have either PC or laptop for you to be able to join the bootcamp. That's because yung mga tools na gagamitin natin is hindi mo siya magagamit if naka-laptop ka lang or naka-phone. So, sayang lang yung babayaran mo if you will not be able to do all of the exercises natin or activities natin if naka-laptop ka lang.
May nagtanong, si Donalyn. Hi, Donalyn.
Hello, Zona.
Paano po pag zero knowledge po pagiging VA? No problem. I think majority of us talaga medyo really wants to become a VA pero hindi pa sure or paano magsimula. That's why nakapag-partner kami kay MJ, no, to do this type of course. This is a beginner-friendly, kahit zero knowledge ka pa. Kahit ako, hindi naman ako VA. And I know the curriculum, definitely, andun yung credibility of it. Pwedeng-pwede ka dito. Pagiging VA kasi is a technical job. Kailangan marunong ka na ng inbox management, calendar management, email communication, mga ganon. So that's why ito yung purpose ng training natin. We'll teach you all of that. And at the same time, if you guys want to have or work sa Athena and wala ka pang experience, right now kasi guys, we are offering endorsement to our company partners. Endorsement meaning we'll give you the CVs, will endorse you to company partners. But take note na lang, hindi siya job guarantee. But it's a good thing pa rin naman kasi at least you'll have a start na.
Yep.
Diba? If gusto nyo mag-Athena, 2 years of worth of experience, hindi kayo makahanap ng trabaho, maybe one of our company partners would want to hire you after the bootcamp.
Correct.
Para 2 years after mo, if gusto mo talaga kay Athena, pwede ka na mag-apply.
Oo, tsaka kaya yun lang din na maganda, yung partnership namin with CodeGo is that hindi lang tayo nakafocus kay Athena alone. Kasi alam naman natin na may kanya-kanyang qualifications ang iba't ibang klaseng agencies or companies who are looking for remote workers. So kung hindi ka pasok sa Athena, CodeGo has other partners na pwedeng mas mababa yung qualifications compared to Athena. Or talagang naghahanap sila ng someone who went through this CodeGo X MJ bootcamp.
Entry level talaga. Kasi guys, you really need to build up your experience, no? If you feel na medyo discouraged ka na hindi ka natanggap ngayon, don't worry about it kasi what you really need to is to build it up. How can you build that up? Try to look muna for entry level jobs, no? Kasi definitely if it's yours naman, you'll get it.
Correct.
You just need experience. And luckily, no, we have company partners that can be, di ba, your starting ground na.
Ayan, so kaka-join lang daw niya. How do we start with the bootcamp at may evening classes po ba?
Okay, hi Angel. Sorry na distract ako sa pusa. Pusa mo ba yun?
Oo.
So, how do we start with bootcamp po? So guys, visit nyo lang si CodeGo. Wait lang.
CodeGo.ph. And then, yan.
Meron kaming promo code na ginagamit ngayon. Use MJ CodeGo.
MJ CodeGo, yes.
Yeah. So, makakuha kayo ng freebies. Last bootcamp, guys, wala kaming freebies na binigay. But now,
yes.
Meron kayo.
Oo, ngayon. Talagang pinag-isipan namin how to improve from the last bootcamp.
Definitely.
So, ayan. Just use the code para at least alam natin kung sino yung mga makakatanggap ng freebies.
Yeah, because guys, yung difference talaga nito is yung experience, yung mentorship talaga na makukuha nyo.
Yes.
Yun talaga.
At saka yung matuturuan namin kayo. Kasi ang maganda din dito, meron din tayong review ng resume ninyo at saka ng portfolios and LinkedIn profile. We will review it together with the CodeGo team. Tapos bibigyan namin kayo ng feedback on how to how to improve yung resumes nyo and portfolios ninyo. Tapos meron din tayong mga mock interviews. You can schedule mock interviews with us and the CodeGo team para ma-improve din yung chances ninyo since nakapag-mock interview kayo. So yun yung kinagandahan ng pagkakaroon ng bootcamp nito. That's why I'm very, very happy dun sa partnership na to. Ayan, how much yung bootcamp? It's 4,000 pesos. Virtual ba yung bootcamp? Yes, via Zoom po yung bootcamp natin. Parang live virtual, ganon.
After daw ba ng bootcamp, the coaching guidance po ba is tuloy-tuloy?
Yes, tuloy-tuloy pa din yung coaching kasi meron din tayong group chat na nag-uusap-usap tayo doon. If may mga questions kayo, nandun lang din ako. And then we also have a Discord channel that nandun din ako every day, so you can definitely join us there. Para if you have any questions, nandun siya. If you want to have a one-on-one coaching with me even after the bootcamp, mag-chat lang kayo doon sa GC na magkakaroon tayo once we start the bootcamp, and then we'll just schedule a one-on-one coaching. So talagang mentorship, like what David said, we focus on mentorship on this bootcamp and not just yung LMS.
Bootcamp, si Angel I think may questions sa bootcamp. Hi Angel. So basically ang bootcamp, it's a shorter way of learning things. At the same time, hindi siya purely self-learning basically. So aside ang comparing kasi niyan, 'di ba, pag mag-aaral ka sa isang university, it will take you 4 years to learn a specific skill, but usually people apply to a bootcamp kasi mas mabilis to, at the same time mas mura siya. When po, yung bootcamp natin magsa-start ng September 28, guys. 24 na ngayon, only 4 days.
Konti na lang. Oh my God, konti.
Second stint na ulit. So, but ano kasi yun, may application of deadline tayo because we also need to sort out your experience, ayusin pa namin yung class list, etc. So, ang deadline ng application is 26. Meaning, doon ka mag-apply, yun yung last day of the application, tapos yun na rin yung last day of payment. So, how much ba yung bootcamp natin for the General Virtual Assistant? The General Virtual Assistant is 4K, but you can use yung code ni MJ na MJ Code Go. I think currently, medyo may tech issue pa. So, gawin nyo guys, i-blank nyo muna yung promo, but what we will need to request for you, I'm so sorry for this, is email nyo si help@codego, tas ilagay nyo doon na ginamit nyo yung code para makuha nyo pa rin yung
freebies. Madami akong nilulutong freebies for those who are going to use the MJ Code Go. I will be announcing it by tomorrow. Inaayos ko lang lahat ng listahan niya. Kaya don't forget to include yung MJ Code Go para makuha niyo yung freebies na yon.
Yes, definitely.
Will we apply sa jobs as general VA or as an EA? The nice thing with this bootcamp is tinatamaan niya both general VA and EA na topic. So you can definitely apply either as a general VA or as an EA. We wanted to make sure that this is beginner friendly or no experience friendly. Kaya magfo-focus din tayo sa general VA and then a little bit of a touch sa EA kasi ang EA medyo advanced na din siya. Kaya it's a general virtual assistant bootcamp. But meron akong pahapyaw ng parang EA topic.
Yeah, kasi na yun medyo advanced na yun. So,
kailangan
nyo kasi guys muna ng foundation. In every job, kailangan mo talaga ng foundation for it. So, what we suggest na you start muna with general virtual assistant. Understand mo na ano ba yung basic functionality ng VAs, how to use it, how to become one, what software you use. Tapos, definitely, di ba, progressive naman ng career ni VA, doon ka na magiging executive virtual assistant. Si Reen, may sinabi, may upcoming interview po ako sa October 12. Gusto ko sana mag-join, kaso baka late na din po.
Hindi pa late yun.
Oo,
you can still join.
Huwag ka mag-alala. Kasi guys, part din kasi ng course is may interview na 'di ba last time MJ may mga nagsabi ng students mo na paano sumagot ng interviews, and definitely
Yes.
si Code Go din kasi meron kaming support team no na can mentor you in terms of how you can uh, answer set of interview
Yep.
questions para matulungan din kayo in terms of
Nagkaroon kami last bootcamp ng 2 days na mock interview with
wow.
those who wanted to have a mock interview. So, dalawang back-to-back days yun. Unfortunately lang, hindi ako nakasama noon. But yung sa career services ng, what's this? Ng CodeGo was there to conduct the mock interview. Tapos yung updated na LMS din natin that will be launched on the 28th already includes yung mga sample questions and how to answer yung final interview. Some of the final interview, initial to final interview questions. So,
Saka
updated yung
rin yun
ating
ng MJ,
LMS.
lifetime access yun. So,
Yes,
if for
lifetime access
example,
din yung LMS
ikaw
that we're using.
natapos mo yung course, tapos nakahanap ka ng work, tapos at the same
Yeah.
time, no, lilipat ka naman, definitely there's another interview for that. You can review it, look back kung ano yung pwede mo ma-improve in terms of you answering it, diba? So, marami talagang opportunity, guys. Kasi, si CodeGo kasi really values yung investment nyo.
Correct.
The kasi 'di ba there was one comment na may bayad pala ganon.
Oo.
Definitely may
Siyempre.
bayad, but at the same time investment mo to kasi sa
Yes.
Kaya I think 'di ba ang pag nang bubudol tayo, ang term na natin is investment to, hindi to
Yeah.
expense.
Correct. It's you have to understand also the reason why it's paid is because the LMS that we are using is a paid LMS. And that LMS will make your life easier kasi you're going to makikita mo lahat ng lessons na nandun. Pati yung video because all of the bootcamp days recorded yung video. You recorded yung class. So you will have access to the recordings na lifetime then. That's the reason why it's paid. And of course, syempre, we have people who's working, like ako will be working for 2 hours straight. Na nagsasalita lang tayo. 'Di ba? So there is a lot of it's a whole engine. So this is not something na we just concocted out of the blue. Tapos biglang, halika na, sige na, game na natin to. Pinag-isipan naman kasi din talaga natin yung mangyayari sa whole bootcamp. And then you have to also understand that we are partnering with companies who will be interested in hiring you. Also, anong tawag dito? Taking time to review all of your resumes, your
Yes.
portfolios, providing you with feedback, conducting mock interviews. So, wag kayong mag-alala kasi hindi
Alagang-alaga
naman
talaga,
namin
basically.
sasayangin. Oo.
Alagang-alaga talaga. Ay,
Alagang-alaga.
si
Hindi
Ian
natin
po,
sasayangin yung
already
investment ninyo.
registered. Ayan.
Oh,
I think
ayan.
nag-apply ka na ba, Ian Paul? If you nag-apply ka na, we're excited to meet you. September
Yes.
28, definitely see you there. It's called General Virtual Assistance Course Training. Training siya, guys, kasi hindi lang siya learning yung mga theoretical, yung mga concepts, may mga practical skills kayo na gagawin
Yes.
yun. Like for example, paano gumawa ng mga email communication. Ayan, kaya kailangan may laptop talaga kayo dito, guys. Kasi si MJ, basically, bibigyan niya kayo scenario, okay, mag-email ka kay Sir Dave. Ako yun.
Yes.
Na kailangan natin mag-book ng resort, no? Kasi malapit na maging Burmans. So, magta-type kayo noon, tapos at the same time, i-evaluate niya yung ginagawa nyo, and bibigyan niya kayo ng feedback.
Correct. So,
So,
yun
if-
yung maganda doon.
Yes, kasi ito na yung time na if ikaw takot ka magkamali, dito ka na magkamali.
Yun, tumpak, correct. Yun nga, tama yun, no? Yun yung sinasabi natin last bootcamp din, na yung mga practical assessments na gagawin ninyo dito sa bootcamp na to, tama, dun ka na magkamali. Para nandun ako to teach you how to correct it, to do it better.
Yes. Kasi I think majority of us, 'di ba, may fear of making mistakes, no. That's why may mga avenues talaga na if ikaw, tatandaan nyo guys, no, pag pumasok kayo sa bootcamp, lahat kayo wala kayong head start, talagang zero knowledge, wala yung problema kasi at the same time, makikita nyo, ang commonality nyo, lahat kayo gusto nyo maging VAs, gusto niyo matuto. So, if ever magkakamali kayo dito, okay lang. Kasi at the same time, it's a training for you eh, di ba? May mga avenues na for you to learn. Dapat pala, hindi ito yung ginawa ko. At the same time, hindi niyo siya na-learn during the experience itself.
Correct. May nagtanong dito, paano kaya nakakahanap ng clients? Ang hirap kasi. So yes, number one challenge yan, especially if baguhan ka pa lang sa pagiging VA. Tapos ang dami ng kakompetensya ngayon. So yun yung isa sa mga tinuturo natin dito sa bootcamp, yung mga platforms na pwede mong gamitin, and also paano ka mag-e-engage doon sa mga potential clients mo para mapansin ka nila above all others na nag-a-apply. And then, hindi lang kasi tayo nagfo-focus sa OLJ or paano maghanap via OLJ, paano maghanap via Upwork. We're also using different social media platforms, and not just social media, but other directory platforms based in the US for you to be able to find the clients. Tapos tinuturo ko sa inyo doon paano nyo sila i-approach, paano kayo magpapapansin sa kanila, at saka specifically, paano maghanap ng mga clients na gusto mong makatrabaho. Ituturo natin lahat yun during the bootcamp.
Yes, definitely, andyan kami. Ang maganda kasi dito is, I don't know kung nakasama ka sa last live namin, no? In-invite namin yung mga CodeGo graduates ng first VA. Marami sa kanila, iba-iba yung mga background. Sales, remittance, real estate. But at the same time, no?
Tsaka ano yun?
Tapos may sundalo pa.
May sundalo. Yes, may sundalo. May galing.
So, meron kaming isang student na I really want to share to you. Kasi, one, web dev student siya sa umaga. Kasi nagtitake din siya sa amin ng web dev eh. So, sa gabi, virtual assistant student namin siya. So, buong araw siya nag-aaral, guys. Pero ito yung maganda. After niya matapos yung bootcamp, nahanap agad siya ng work under our company network na si Housify. So guys, ang makukuha niyo talaga kay CodeGo is the network of opportunities. Meaning, we can endorse you, but also we want to be transparent din with you, no, na hindi siya job guarantee. Pero don't be disheartened by it. Andun pa rin yung avenue to be able to find a job. So, nirefer namin siya kay Housify, which is a startup ni 917 Ventures, yung startup factory ni Globe. So, nakakatawa kasi nag-submit siya ng resume niya parang kahapon. Tapos, kinabukasan na interview, tapos na-hire agad siya. So, ganun siya kabilis, guys. So, mabilis lang talaga siya kasi andun kami to help you look for opportunities din. And I think meron tayong ginawang bagong group ng MJ. Pag natapos mo yung bootcamp, isasama namin kayo sa group. Tapos nandun lahat ng mga ipopost namin ng mga job opportunities.
Yes.
So if ikaw, hindi ka na happy sa current work mo, tapos gusto mo pa rin maghanap ng new opportunities, definitely, andun, nakapost lahat ng mga job availability namin.
Now, David, ano yung kwento mo regarding bookkeeper?
Yeah, so I think last live natin, marami nagtatanong yan eh. Kaya na-intriga rin ako.
Alam mo bakit? Maghanap na kayo ng bookkeeper kasi, Ben is here. Hi, Ben.
Kasi meron tayong 49 people. So, I wanna get the vibe check. Wow, vibe check!
Vibe check! Iba talaga pag marketing.
Vibe check. Marami naghahanap ng bookkeeping dito sa chat natin.
Sabihin niyo yes. You know why?
Kasi, kilala, parang na-intriga talaga.
Ang laki kasi ng pera ng virtual bookkeeper.
Talaga? From your experience?
Yes. At saka ang maganda din kasi if you are a bookkeeper, you can get multiple clients. So, ang laki ng opportunity. Hindi katulad kasi minsan as an EA, katulad ko, di ba, EA ako. Talagang hindi ko kakayanin na may multiple clients kasi my world revolves around my client's life. Sometimes as a general VA, ganun ka din. But with bookkeeping, since you're only focused on bookkeeping and finance or something,
you can have multiple clients.
You can have multiple clients. 4, 5, 6 clients at a time. Kaya ang laki ng pera as a virtual bookkeeper.
Pero from your, sorry guys, alam kong may question kayo, pero I really just want to understand, di ba? Kasi, of course, if ayun sila Aloha, sila Daidani, sila Simple Dimple, sabi nila yes for virtual bookkeeping. Pero, like, is it the same world, like, may firm din ba na nag-hire ng virtual bookkeeping instead of,
Yes.
so it's similar to VA talaga. Okay guys, so gawin nyo ganito. Follow nyo si codego.ph. Tapos, if may announcement kami, look for it for new courses in general. So,
Yes,
but thank
oo.
you for answering my questions. Ang interactive nyo kasama.
Diba? Ayan. So, maganda talaga bookkeeping. Kaya go for it, code go.
Carry. Ayan, sige. So Jane, virtual bookkeeper, meron po bang job post for virtual bookkeeper? As of now, wala. Wala pa. I'm so sorry.
Soon.
Soon, but
2024.
soon, maybe.
Oh, ipo-pressure na kita ha, 2024.
Marami na. Okay, yung mga nagsabi ng yes, be sure to look out for us. Baka may mga bagong courses na kami in the upcoming months.
This will open a lot of doors to courses offered by CodeGo.
Yes,
Oh, di ba?
definitely. Kanina minimension ko na meron tayong student na si April. 8 days wala siyang work. 8 days natapos niya yung bootcamp. Ngayon, nasa Housify na siya. So, ano kasi yun during, I think, 3rd or 4th day yata ng bootcamp, guys, nag-announce na kami agad
Oh,
na may
yes.
mga employment opportunities na tayo. Endorsable na kayo right there. So, actually ngayon, since tapos na yung first bootcamp, definitely pagkapasok nyo, meron na tayong pwedeng applyan. But, a suggestion namin, no, tapusin nyo muna yung bootcamp, kasi may mga part doon ng course na tuturo sa inyo paano mag-interview,
Yeah.
paano maghanap ng clients, etc. Paano ayusin yung resume nyo. So, I forgot, sa mga nag-apply na guys, i-ready nyo na yung resume nyo. Bakit? Kasi sa first day, hihingi na natin siya.
Oh,
Kasi
yeah, tama.
kailangan tingnan siya ng team to check on ano ba yung part ng resume ko na medyo kailangan pang i-improve para pagdating ng day, I think that's day 7 pa, day 6 MJ. Pag nandun na kayo sa resume writing,
6. Yeah.
meron na kayong set of feedback na pwede nyo i-apply right there from there. Pwede nyo nang magamit yung resume. Updated na yan. Maganda na yan tingnan.
Yan.
Yeah.
Exciting, di ba? Excited ako kasi may mga dinagdag tayo for this second
Yeah.
If there are people or there are previous students ng bootcamp who are currently watching, hello, you don't have to worry because whatever it is na idadagdag natin doon sa LMS natin, since we promised you that you have lifetime access to that, you will also have access to that LMS. So hindi mo, 'di ba, parang hindi siya yung tipong
Sobrang
ay
sulit.
sayang dapat ngayon ako
Oo, sobrang
nag-enroll.
sulit.
'Di ba? So, hindi siya ganon. Whatever it is that I'm adding for this bootcamp, you will also get that since you already have access to our LMS.
So, very timely, no, yung resources na meron kayo, guys. Kasi, for example, ikaw, nag-apply ka na ngayon, tapos siguro mga 3 years from now, running pa rin si VA for the virtual assistant, may mga bagong courses yun, nakukuha mo yun ng libre.
Makukuha mo pa rin siya lahat.
Yes, nakukuha mo siya from... Ayan, may mga tanong. Pagkapasok niyo ng bootcamp, no, babatuhan na namin kayo ng mga company partners na naghahanap ng mga VAs, di ba? Ayan, si Miss Marie, very fun. Learn from the best. Definitely. And also, guys, yung feedback natin from, if hindi kayo nakapunta sa live session natin last time, no, a lot of our CodeGo grads, no, were saying na this is definitely worth it. Hindi ko to sinasabi because marketing CodeGo, okay? Sa kanila na nanggaling yan, guys.
Ipopost ko yun. Ipopost ko yung live na yun kasi may recording naman
Yeah,
tayo. I just
kasi
haven't
ano siya
gotten to it.
definitely, one thing, yung mga learnings mo from the experience of the bootcamp, and two, yung sa opportunities na nabibigay natin for you.
Correct.
Hi, ayan, watching from Cavite. Yes, shout out sa mga Cavite, Dasma.
Etivac! Hello, Etivac!
Di ba parang, tinamaan bang Cavite sa small?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, so sana safe kayo dyan.
Yeah, sana safe kayo.
People from Cavite, Batangas, and Saudi people.
Correct. Paano po yung zero knowledge about sa VA? Accepted ba sa bootcamp? Yes.
Yes,
The only
definitely.
qualification natin sa bootcamp is you should have an internet and either a PC or a laptop. Yun lang yung kailangan.
Yung laptop nyo
Um,
guys, kailangan lang makapag-run ng Zoom and Google Chrome.
correct.
Hindi namin kailangan na kaya mag-run ng mga gaming, etc. Ganun lang siya.
Ayan.
Bakit siya, ba't may requirements tayo na ganun, no? Kasi basically, although as much as possible, no, we want for you to be able to utilize sobra yung experience nyo sa bootcamp. And, ayun, may mga opportunities tayo na ginagawa, like practical assessment na ginagawa nyo siya talaga on the spot kasama si MJ. That's why kailangan nyo ng mga devices.
Correct.
One-time payment po yung yes, one-time payment lang to. After nun, kasi ganito yun guys, nagbayad kayo ng 4K ngayon, tapos at the same time, meron kayong lifetime access sa LMS na nandun lahat ng mga modules, templates, and I think sinabi rin ni MJ, no, pag may mga bagong ina-add na topics,
Yes.
libre sa inyo yan.
Correct. May
Yes.
kasi since lifetime yung access ninyo. Yan,
Kahit
katulad
makahanap
niyan.
kayo ng trabaho,
Yeah.
wala kami hingin sa inyo.
Correct. Katulad niyan, 'di ba, like sinabi ko dito na I have new updates dun sa bagong, hindi sa
Yeah.
bagong LMS, yung for the second bootcamp. So yung mga students natin from the first bootcamp will still have access to that updated LMS. Kasi yun at yun lang naman yung gagamitin natin. So
Yeah.
habang nag-i-improve tayo, pati kayo, kahit tapos na kayo sa bootcamp,
Oh, definitely.
tuloy-tuloy pa din yung
Guys,
improvement.
worth it investment talaga yan.
All skills na po ba yan? Yes. So we have 16 modules that we're going to discuss during the whole 8-day bootcamp. We are from American culture, inbox, calendar, travel, household, meeting management, and then the different tools na kailangan yung matutunan, how to create your profiles and assets, how to look for clients, and then challenges of a virtual assistant, we will also discuss it and how to overcome those challenges, of course.
Namin.
And yeah, basta it's 16 modules in total. If you want to see all of the modules, go to codego.ph and look at the courses. Hanapin nyo lang yung mukha ko. You will see the list
Guys,
of modules.
Promise, hindi nyo mamimiss yung mukha ni MJ. Sinabi ko talaga sa team, lakihan nyo yung mukha.
Napakalaki talaga.
Kita. I think from our previous applicants din, no, may nagsasabi, parang kamukha niyo si MJ. Hindi nila alam, si MJ talaga yun.
Oo, masyado tayong filtered doon sa
I think I would like to add lang doon sa sinabi ni Ellie Bailey. And I think si Aloha, nagsabi siya na, ay, nawala ako.
Ayan.
Ayan, sabi ni Aloha, VA career sana siya. Ay, gusto niya mag-start sa VA kaso 0 years. Okay lang. Halos lahat ng mga nag-start sa first batch natin, walang knowledge. And look at them now. Like si April, wala naman siyang knowledge about the VA but nakahanap siya ng work sa Housify. All skills na po ba yan? Aside from the skills, no, definitely there's the tools, there's the employment opportunities. Patake note na lang guys, hindi natin gina-guarantee yung job ha. But we will do all our power, no, to endorse you.
Correct. And prepare you.
Opportunities niya, no, to look for, to get a job basically. Tulungan lang tayo.
Yung mga tools, guys, na tinuturo natin during the bootcamp is Gmail, Google Calendar,
Asana, Trello.
Hoy, wala akong ganun.
Wala ba yun sa ano mo?
Advanced masyado yun.
Ay, okay, advanced pa ba?
Oo. Yung mga, guys, yung mga Asana at Trello na sinabi niya, that's quite advanced already. Pero, ano naman tayo doon? Kasi since General VA yung tinuturo natin, hindi ko pa kaya. Hindi nila kakayanin yung Asana at Trello.
Masyado lang. Kasi ako guys, nag-iisip lang ako from...
malay mo magkaroon tayo ng level 2.
Level 2.
General VA.
Yeah.
Pag nag-level 2, kapag sinabi ni na David Mia, gusto mo ba ng level 2? Magturo ka ulit. Sabihin ko, yeah, sure. Level 2.
Vibe check muna tayo sa level 2. Kasi, ano yan parang continuous learning talaga ang pagiging VA mo. Definitely. Yes. Kasi there's a lot of tools na nagkakaroon na lumalabas na you can use. At the same time, may mga work din na nag-i-evolve.
Tsaka inano ko kasi talaga, yung focus ko talaga doon sa course natin is for it to be beginner friendly. So ayoko naman ng heavy kayo in terms of, well actually heavy naman yung tanong niyo yung mga students dati as in talagang ano sila parang ay ang information, nakakaloka ang information. But again, the nice thing is you can always go back to the recordings or the video recordings.
Lifetime access
and
to
the
field,
LMS. Yep. Correct. So, hindi po ito Athena. May nagtatanong kung Athena to. No, this is not Athena. This is yung CodeGo and MJ online bootcamp that will start on the 28th. Bukas ko i-announce yung freebies natin.
Okay,
Inaayos
bukas.
ko lang
Okay.
siya ngayon, but it's going to be provided directly to you. Mga ano yan, ang iniisip natin, mga templates,
Templates, no?
anything that will
Definitely.
level up your skills as a virtual assistant.
Kasi guys, may mga part na if kaya nyo gawing automated, no? Definitely, it's a plus points for you. Okay,
So, let's
paano
wait
po
for
ang
that.
schedule? Ilang hours per day? Good question din. Para na rin to sa lahat na nagtatanong. Basically guys, Monday to Saturdays lang si virtual assistant training. Only 8 days lang ngayon na. Tapos, 2 hours lang yung training natin per day. 2 hours lang guys, 2 hours.
Per day.
7 to 8, ay 7 to 9
7 to 9.
p.m. Sorry. 7 to 9
7 to
p.m.
9 p.m. CodeGo and I have partnered with some companies kasi CodeGo is under 917 Ventures. So may mga job openings sila doon that's looking to hire people who graduated from the bootcamp. But then again, it's not 100% na hired na kayo. It really, of course, depend kung ano yung experience ninyo, yung performance ninyo throughout the bootcamp, and then, of course, yung resume and mga portfolios ninyo. But in terms naman sa akin, since I'm working with Athena, if I see potential in you and maganda din, and pasok yung experience ninyo sa qualifications ni Athena, I can definitely endorse you to go directly to the final interview and skip the whole application process. But of course, hindi yun like 100% kayo lahat ganun we also of course do the initial screening to make sure na pasok kayo or qualified kayo to be endorsed directly to the final interview.
But on our end though, we also do company endorsement under 917 Ventures, no guys. If di nyo pa kilala si 917 Ventures, guys, startup factory siya ni Globe. So if you will have that kind of credibility agad sa resume mo, it can definitely help you out. Especially if ang long-term plan nyo is mag-apply kay Athena.
Correct. Tsaka hindi lang, ang maganda doon, kung gusto niya mag-apply sa ibang agency, go for it. Hindi lang naman siya kay Athena.
Kasi
We'll
guys,
definitely partnered with others.
Very versatile ang work nyo as a whole.
Correct. Anyway, ayun lang. So, ayan, we have...
With our portfolio,
Will you help us with Yes, definitely. We will definitely help you with your portfolio. Not just your portfolio, but your social media profiles from your Upwork, OLJ, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, lahat yan tutulungan natin kayo kung paano gumawa. Ano po yung web writing? Sa'yo ba yun?
website development yan, guys. So, actually, no, si CodeGo kasi, known talaga siya for the coding class. Kaya siya CodeGo kasi code. Ganun siya, guys. So, trivial lang. Yung website development, itong part na to, this is also beginner friendly for career shifters, career starters, na who wants to get or who wants to understand basically coding. So guys, ayun siya. Si website development, actually, gusto din kasi namin if you're interested, no, again, baka pwede makahingi ng vibe check, no. If we're gonna do live naman for website development, interested ba kayo doon?
Oo, ako interested ako.
Talaga?
Oo.
Wow!
Kasi yung asawa ko, gusto ko siya maging programmer dahil maraming pera sa programming. Hindi people person yung asawa ko. So, perfect sa kanya yung maging programmer.
Actually, guys, meron din kaming website development bootcamp na in-offer right now. Ang deadline niya rin is September 26. Etong part naman na to, no, may study now, pay when hard. Yun yung, actually, no, marami kami nakukuhang
Uy, gusto ko yun.
teach how to create online courses like mga nasa TikTok. Okay, wait lang. Wait lang, Clark.
Gusto ko yun.
That's a good suggestion. But tapusin ko na yung sa web dev. No? So basically, may study now, pay when hard kami na program for website development. As the explanation nga, no? So, study now, wala ka talagang babayaran. Tapos, pag nakahanap ka ng work, doon ka lang magbabayad. And will offer job assistance doon. But again, no, as mentioned before, hindi siya job guarantee, but we'll do all our power to help you find a job. Caroline is asking, parang
I'm interested.
Yes.
But wala akong experience, not fluent English, hindi nakatapos ng college. Oo naman, pwede ka talaga mag-enroll.
Turo namin dito yon, wag ka mag-alala. We'll definitely guide you.
Pwede mag-apply as EA if no experience. Pwede. Depende kasi kung saan ka mag-a-apply. So may mga agencies kasi that would require for you to have work experience sa kahit anong industry naman yon. But there are some naman na okay lang na walang experience at all. But yeah, it really depends on what company you want to apply for.
So again, last call, deadline of application is September 26. Yung start of bootcamp is September 28, no guys. Monday to Saturdays lang siya. 7 to 9 p.m. Ang payment natin is 4K. Then, ang matututunan nyo dito is basically all the basics that you will need for the foundation for the VA, like calendar management, American culture, how to find clients, and also dito kay CodeGo, no, will give you endorsement opportunities, meaning may mga set of company partners kaming naghahanap, will endorse you, but of course take note, hindi siya job guarantee. But
Correct.
definitely, if you will do good sa bootcamp, I think, in all honesty, wala naman magiging problem on that. Last call, may coupon code tayo na ginagamit. Use MJ
CodeGo.
MJ CodeGo. So, how to apply is visit nyo lang si codego.ph. Wait lang, chat ko dito. Apply at codego.ph. Ayan. So, punta lang kayo sa website, lagay nyo yung promo code. Pero right now kasi may problems lang si promo code. So, gawin nyo, i-block nyo muna yung promo code. Pag nakatapos nyo yung application nyo, email nyo si help@codego.ph. Ayan, email help at codego.ph. Tell them na may problem yung I tried using MJ CodeGo but nagkaroon ng problem. Tapos, yung mga mag-i-email, guys, yun lang ang mabibigyan natin ng freebies, okay? So, be sure to email after nyo mag-apply. I think yun na yun. That's it.
Yes, that's it. So
Okay.
thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, David, for joining our live.